Outfit your off-road only Jeep TJ or JK with brighter 7-inch round LED headlights. For better lighting and less amperage, you just can't beat Bright Earth's LED lighting. And with 1,000 lumens on low beam and 1,600 on high beam, you can be sure those lights will light up your night. You can even set these up with amber turn signals in the headlights. The IP67 rated headlights will ensure that dust and weather won't be an issue. These Bright Earth LED headlights were designed as a bolt-on for the Jeep, but may also work on other vehicles that have 7-inch round headlights. These lights are about 3/4 of an inch deeper on the back than most traditional lights and will likely need some modifications for installation, so be sure and check out the dimensions. Whether you're off-road racing, rock climbing, trail riding, or hill climbing, count on Bright Earth LED headlights to project extreme bright light. Remember, these replacement headlights are for off-road use only. Thanks for watching. For more lighting solutions from Bright Earth, visit our website at brighterthleds.com.